Did you know that you can install a zipper on a serger? And it is so fast and easy that you're gonna love it. Let's take a look at what we need to set up to install a zipper on our serger. First of all, we're gonna take a closer look at the feet. Right here, this is the normal foot that you usually have on your serger, and it will work for installing that zipper. But if you take another look at this foot, this is the cording foot. And the cording foot is going to make it even just a little bit easier to install that zipper. Because here on this cording foot, right here, we have this channel that the zipper teeth will just fit into. Let's take a look at that. So if we move this zipper right here, you can see that this zipper will fit right there like that. Let's take a look up here. And you can see that those zipper teeth will just slide along in that channel that's created for the cording foot. Makes it so fast and easy, and it puts your zipper exactly where you're gonna need it. So I've already used my chain stitch to create this quilt sandwich that has my chain stitch on the front and on the back. We're gonna use that to create a zipper pouch. When I come right here, at this point, I get to decide, am I going to have a yellow bag or am I going to have a black bag? Which one should I choose? I think this time I'm gonna go with the yellow bag. If your zipper is at least 2 to 3 inches longer than your bag, it makes it so you'll be able to move the zipper pull and the zipper stop out of the way, making it easier to serge onto your bag. So we're going to come up to our bag and we're going to place this with the pole side down, so right sides are together. This is going to be the right side of our zipper, this is the right side of our bag, and we want those right sides together. I'm going to pull that out so it's out of my way on this side, and we'll put that right there, and that's where we're going to install our zipper. Let's go take a look at how our machine is set up. We're going to install our needles in the O1 and O2 position. Our length is set between a 2.5 and a 4, so we're right here at 3. Our width is set at 6.5 to 7.5, so right here we're at a 7. We have our stitch selector on A. Our wave selector is on overlock. Our blade position is open or up, and our subsidiary looper is to the right. Now we're ready to get stitching. Okay, we're going to put our zipper under the foot on our bag, and we're going to put it just behind where the blade starts to trim it off. Put our foot down, and that zipper should feel like it's right inside that channel right there. Once you get to the end, I like to just move my zipper to the side and serge off. All right, let's take a look at how that zipper installed. If I just fold this back, our zipper is right in the exact place it needs to be. We're going to do the other side, and for this one, because it's a quilt sandwich, I'm going to be able to just pull this over to this other side and lay it flat. Make sure my sides are lined up, put a few clips, and we're ready to sew this zipper on this side. You're gonna line that zipper up in that channel again and start serging. So we've got our zipper installed. Let's turn it right side out and see what it looks like on the outside. There it is. Now, I like to take this either to my machine or set my serger to a chain stitch and do just a little top stitch along here. It keeps those ends of the zipper in place right where I want them. The other thing you can do is you can decide exactly where you want your zipper. You can either do it right at the top, or I like to give it just a little bit of a roll down and place my zipper there. This is also a great chance for you to decide, do you want your zipper to go from right to left or left from right? If I had my bag like this, my zipper would start on the right and open this way. But if I roll it and go the opposite way, then my zipper is going to go from left to right. And to me, that feels a lot more comfortable. So I'm going to have my bag go this way, like this. Now to finish the side seams, I'm going to finish those with another 4-thread overlock stitch, but I have to turn it back inside out so that those seams end up on the inside. Let's turn it and get ready to serge those sides. I've gone over to my machine and set it to a cover stitch and stitched along both sides of the zipper to hold those backs in place. Now I'm going to move my zipper pull into the middle of the bag so that when I sew it shut, I'm able to turn it right side out. I'm going to turn it inside out now to serge my side seams, just like this. We'll put a few clips on it to hold it in place, and let's serge down both sides and our bag will be complete. I've got my 4 ends that I can either finish by pulling those threads into those stitches, or maybe I'll tie a knot and use a little bit of fray check. They're gonna be right in the corner, so as long as I finish them, it doesn't really matter how. Next, I'm going to just turn this bag right side out, poke out my corners, and my zipper bag is going to be all done. It was so easy to make and install that zipper, and I had it done in no time. I hope you have fun installing a zipper on your serger and making 1,000 little bags.